How to change voice language in Zenless Zone Zero. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. To change the voice language in Zenless Zone Zero, first of all open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device. Once you're inside the main home page or the lobby page, go to the upper left corner and tap the Me button. After you're inside this page, tap on Options from the bottom, and then this will open up this settings menu where you need to tap on Language option. Under Language, tap the drop down right next to Voice Language and select a different language option. You need to download the voice pack, click on Confirm for the chosen language, and your download should begin. The voice pack resources will take a while to download, and once it is done, you'll be able to change your voice language in the game. So that's it. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.